Alrighty, YouTube viewers, so here's Emerson long nose 36" with 6 blades. Finally got the blades drilled out, got some mounting power for the blade arms. I put some oil in there. The bearing still sounds a little worn. I may replace it, I may not replace it. I have not worked on the canopy yet, that's on my list of things to work on. So let's go ahead and just fire it up on, see if does this run low? Oh no, never mind, it's not 2.4, I got the R06 on. Let's just go to straight high. So. You can see the blades are kinda all over the place. But she's not that bad balance-wise, and fairly quiet and runs some good air. I will say one thing, these motors are heavy. I was surprised when I picked this thing up how heavy this guy was. So, my plan is to thread these holes and block them off with some screws. And then I have a snap switch, no, a regular pull chain switch for on-off switch for this fan coming in. So that'll be in sometime soon. And yeah, here's a quick update. I'll probably do spin down real fast. Very neat fan. I've kind of always wanted one of these. I thought the 6 blade for a 36" was unique. As to the fixing the blades, I probably won't, just because they are aluminum blade brackets. These are reproduction. Someone cast these. I don't want to risk breaking them, so I'm going to leave them as they are. Brief test spinning now. Once again, that bearing's probably hurting. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.